Hello, welcome to my unboxing of a 2016 13-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. Ordered this from Apple 2 weeks ago and it's just arrived. So let's get to it. First of all, I've got my trusty knife. Slip it along there. There we go. Lift the lid. And there it is. Little tab here. Just pull that and set it to one side for a minute. You also get the new USB Type-C cable. Some warranty information, and I believe there'll be some stickers. Also some power adapters. Let's move them to one side. So here's a MacBook Pro. Open the lid. It's bottom view. Turn it around. Comes off. Take that off. We'll open it up. What miles out of battery? Those ones I've seen on the internet have had battery, this one isn't. So I'll plug it and give it a charge and I'll get back to you in a bit. Bye for now.